the light inside, from which no one can hide. In our chest, the best of the best, the mercy to people, to teach the pupil. Learn by heart from the start, the best book to people who look for knowledge. Best book to teach in college, trust it, Quran, read it, Quran. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome back to Abdullah's Happy Life. How was the poem that it was written by Hafiz Abdullah Shiraz? Yes, by me. Tell me in the comments below. Today I am going to tell you about the benefits of Quran and to whom should we listen to learn Quran. But before, please like, subscribe my channel and turn that notification bell on and watch this video till the end. Let's move on. First of all, I will tell you about the reward of reciting Quran. According to Hadith, the reward of reciting one letter is 10 times. Take the word for example, Alif Lam Mim. Alif Lam Mim is a one word with 3 letters. So there is not 10 reward for Alif Lam Mim, but 10 reward for Alif, 10 for Lam and 10 for Mim. So it's 30 reward for reciting only Alif Lam Mim. And Quran has so many words. Just reciting one page daily, we can get so many rewards. And we can recite Quran, we have to recite Quran with a good voice. Allah Ta'ala has mentioned in the Quran, أو زد عليه ورتل القرآن ترتيلا, or a little more and recite Quran with tartil. And you know what is tartil? Tartil is good makharij, good sifat and good tajweed. And learning tajweed, makharij and sifat, these are compulsory to learn enough that we are able to pronounce the words in the Quran properly. And we also have to learn the language of Quran, which is Arabic, because Allah has in the Quran in Surah Yusuf, Inna anzalnahu Qur'anan Arabiyyan la'allakum taqilun. Indeed, we have sent this Quran in Arabic so that you may understand. We should also learn Arabic grammar from the very start. As we learn English grammar from the school KG1, from the KG3, grade 1, we can also learn Arabic grammar with that, because that's a responsibility for the Muslim. And learning Arabic grammar is not as difficult as it is. Allah Ta'ala has mentioned in the Quran, وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُدَّكِرٍ. And indeed we have made the Quran easy to learn. So is there anyone who is to heed to the advice? And to learn Quran, we have to listen to the preaching of the Muslim scholars and make them our leaders. But unfortunately, these days we make our leaders and heroes like Superman and these superheroes. But our real heroes are Muslim scholars like Mufti Menk, Dr. Israr Ahmad, Dr. Farhat Hashmi, Ahmad Deedat, and like these. So are you ready to listen to these scholars, to understand and learn the Quran? To recite the Quran in a proper way with full understanding, so that we follow the teachings of Islam in our practical life. So I hope that you like this advice. We will meet in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.